You're acting like a man who forgot his purpose. Not because you're broken, not because you're weak, but because you stopped listening to the fire inside you. The one that used to guide you before you let the world quiet it down. You feel it, that discomfort, that heaviness, that quiet disappointment in yourself that you try to ignore but can't escape. It's not there to shame you, it's there to wake you. You're living like a man who knows he's capable of more, but hasn't demanded it from himself in a long time. A man who's drifting, not because he lacks direction, but because he's avoiding the discipline required to follow it. A man who's tired, not from effort, but from running from his own potential. Listen, purpose doesn't leave you. It waits, quietly, patiently, but it gets heavier the longer you avoid it. Every time you say, "I'll start tomorrow," purpose weighs you down a little more. Every time you settle for comfort instead of calling, your spirit dulls. Every time you choose distraction over responsibility, a piece of you collapses. You're acting like a man who forgot what he was built for. But you haven't forgotten. Not really. You've just buried it under routine, fear, and the slow erosion of your own standards. You know what it feels like to be sharp, focused, dangerous, disciplined, aligned with something bigger than comfort. You remember that version of you. The world respected him. You respected him. So why did you walk away from him? That's the real question you've been avoiding. A man collapses internally long before his life collapses externally. It starts when he stops honoring himself, when he stops keeping his own promises, when he stops acting like his life requires his strength. Purpose is not a feeling, it's a standard, and you've been living below yours. You're frustrated because you know the truth. You've been giving the world a softer version of yourself, a version built from hesitation, not intention, a version built from fear, not conviction, a version that survives but doesn't grow. Listen closely now. You don't need motivation, you need a decision. A clean, non-negotiable decision that the man you're becoming will no longer be sacrificed for the comfort of the man you were. Purpose returns the moment you stop lying to yourself about what you're capable of. Your clarity returns the moment you rebuild your standards. Your strength returns the moment you stop choosing distractions over discipline. You are not lost. You are unclaimed. Your potential is sitting right where you left it, waiting for you to step back into it. So stand up, fix your posture, fix your focus, fix your inner code. A man becomes powerful the moment he becomes honest. And right now, honesty is calling you. You haven't lost your purpose. You've simply stopped living like a man who has one. Now start again. Start with intention. Start with discipline. Start with the truth you've been avoiding. Because everything you want, every level, every breakthrough, every version of you you've imagined in silence, begins the second you decide to stop acting like a man who forgot why he was made. If this spoke to you, if it felt like the truth you've been avoiding, share it, save it, repeat it. Your life won't collapse as long as you choose to rise.